afraid. I wish I could make.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here for today's extreme after Christmas deep cleaning video. Now I actually took down all my Christmas decor on December 28th, so I was not too late. But guys, I've been so ahead on footage. Glory to God. I've been trying to get ahead on footage so that for the new year I can accomplish one of my goals, which is to start posting 2 times a week. So I've already started that. If you have not noticed, I've been posting my normal Tuesdays and now I've added Fridays. So that is why I am releasing this video now. But it's okay, because before I did YouTube, I used to leave my Christmas decor to like mid-January. So if that's you watching right now and you need some motivation to take down your Christmas decor, this is it. Or if you just need some deep cleaning motivation, go ahead and stick around, because I promise you will get both of those things in this video. So I'm just gonna go ahead, start with my kitchen. I took down all the decor first and then I did the deep cleaning, because I just didn't find it really motivating to only take down the decor in the kitchen and then clean the kitchen while I still have other decor in the dining room and the living room. So that's what my plan was to take down all the decor first, then clean everything and vacuum and mop all the floors all in one shot. So we're gonna go ahead and start that, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.
I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that.
So guys, let me know down in the comments if you guys have taken down your Christmas decor already. As soon as I took the wreaths on the cabinets down, which were like my favorite ever, the house felt so bare. It felt so empty. Something about taking Christmas decor down is so depressing, just to see how bare your house is, but at the same time it's kind of refreshing because you get to kind of let your house breathe a bit. And I don't know, I'm kind of enjoying it, but at the same time I'm itching to get this house feeling a little more homey again. So I cannot wait to decorate for Valentine's Day, which is the video that's coming right after this one, God willing. I'm not gonna put any decor back up. I'm just gonna strictly be taking down decor and then cleaning everything, and I'm leaving my house bare. I'm not even putting back any of the normal decor that I had up before Christmas, like putting back the plants and picture frames and all that stuff that I had before Christmas. I'm just leaving everything bare, and I'll tackle that in my Valentine's Day clean and decorate. I cannot wait, you guys. But yeah, let me know if you guys took down your Christmas decor already and how you're feeling about it.
Love it. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
So after I took down all the decor from the kitchen and the dining room, I went ahead and cleaned those spaces but left the floors, and then I took everything down from the living room and then did all the floors all together, like I mentioned in the beginning. But yeah guys, I was super proud of myself, because when I was organizing these bins, I try to keep it really grouped into categories. So I put all the greenery into one bin, all the knickknacks and candles and stuff into another bin, and then all the like throws and rugs and kitchen towels, all that stuff in a separate bin. So next year it could be super easy and it could just be sorted out and just a breath of fresh air. Now I'm just gonna be wiping down everything. I even wiped down the top cabinets because I hadn't been able to do that because the wreaths were up there. So again, just giving a real deep clean, things that I have not touched since all the Christmas decor was on the counters and on the cabinets. But guys, I'm so excited. Before I go ahead and decorate for Valentine's Day again, I'm gonna be doing the caulking that I told you guys had cracked, so it's gonna be looking nice and seamless again. So stay tuned for that. I am like so excited to decorate for Valentine's Day. Let me know down below if you guys decorate for Valentine's Day or it's just not something that you do or feel the need to do. I know before YouTube I never really did, but now that I'm doing YouTube and as well as I have a daughter, I was also married with my husband in that month, and it's just I just feel like doing it this year because I just feel like there's a lot of love in February, being that it's my wedding anniversary and also when we conceived our daughter and all that good stuff. So I'm just feeling the love vibes this year. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys decorate for Valentine's Day.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie.
Y'all, let me tell you the story behind this. So my garland that I had on the dining table obviously had these little crystals, and that is the worst part about Christmas, is everything sheds, whether it's flocked or these little crystals. Now I'd rather it be flocked than these little crystals. And a little backstory, my Christmas tree also had these crystals, so it was just so annoying this year. I was like, I guess it's pretty satisfying for you guys to watch, but it was so annoying cleaning all these crystals. I much rather deal with flock. So I think next year we're gonna go ahead and get a flock tree because I cannot deal with these crystals, and it's also dangerous. My daughter was putting them in her mouth and I had to like constantly keep my eyes on her when she was near the tree. So I definitely won't be getting anything with crystals next year. I'll be trying to get everything flocked instead.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side.
Alright you guys, now I'm just going to be taking down all the Christmas decor from the living room. I stripped the tree and all that. The only thing I didn't do is take down the tree. You will not see that in this video. Well, you will see at the end that it's gone when I'm cleaning all the floors, but my husband actually took it down when he came home because it was just too heavy and I just didn't want to deal with it. But I did clean around the tree, clean all the flock that came off the tree and all that goodness. So you will be seeing all of that. But quickly, I just wanted to introduce myself for those that are new here. I know it's pretty late in the video. I should have did this in the beginning, but my name is Josie and I am a wife and first time mama, and on my channel I do a bunch of cleaning, decorating, seasonal decorating, and as well as I've been decorating my new home. We just moved in, so I've been releasing a lot of non-seasonal clean and decorates. I just recently did one with the console table and I have a lot more to do. So if that's something that interests you, I would love it if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button so that you can become part of our little family here, guys. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get this living room clean and then clean all the floors and vacuum, and I'm gonna try not to talk as much so you guys could enjoy the transformation, and towards the end I'll be kind of showing you guys all the end shots about everything looks all empty and clean and breathable. So stay tuned for that because it's really satisfying.
I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold.
So you guys might be wondering why there's still gifts under the tree, and yes, there still are gifts under the tree. That's actually my family's. So I know I said in my last couple videos that I was going to end up hosting and order Olive Garden and all that stuff, but guys, my mom actually ended up getting COVID-19 and she was exposed to both my brother and father, which were my family that was going to come over. So they ended up not coming, so that's why I still have Christmas gifts under the tree. Those are their gifts once they're off of quarantine and everything's settled and you know it's safe. I will be giving it to them, so I will be putting them away in the video. but again, the tree my husband puts away, so don't be confused as to why I took down all the decor and cleaned around the tree and left the tree. It will be taken down, and you guys will see that at the end of the video.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. No, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
Alright, so if you use Method, you know, and you might come at me for using glass cleaner on this top shelf. I was going to use the wood cleaner, but because I was cleaning the mirror and the glass table, I grabbed the glass cleaner and I forgot to grab the wood cleaner, and I just did it like without thinking. So that is why I cleaned the mantle with the glass cleaner. I usually do it with the wood cleaner, so don't get at me.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact.
Alright y'all, so now it's actually later on in the night. This was a whole day thing. I was cleaning and taking down decor from the morning all the way until the nighttime. So this was like after her second nap, and I came downstairs, and before we showered and ate and all that good stuff, I went ahead and vacuumed all the floors and also mopped. So that's going to be really satisfying. And again, at the end I will be showing you guys end shots of how everything looks all bare. And now that everything is all bare, next Friday, well this Friday, I'm sorry, will be the Valentine's Day clean and decorate. So stay tuned for that. I am so excited for that. This is my first time, and if you saw my haul, you know I am going a little bit all out with the pink and the roses and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys stood until now, thank you so much for watching until now. Make sure if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up because it helps my channel a ton. And if you're new here and are not already subscribed and you enjoyed this video or want to see the Valentine's Day clean and decorate or any other videos coming up, make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Friday.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces
We're the traveling kind, it's a known fact.